May harmony and love gleam forth. From your circle of intimates diminish neither. By distress nor grief in the German manner, let resentment never be your lot, rather only affection. May your being eternally be the embodiment of peace. Leadership and service are the key words to understanding SEELE's personality. He is once called the soul of New Braunfels. Frederick Herman SEELE was born in Hanover in 1823. He then ventured to Galveston in 1843. He married Matilda Blum in 1862. Shortly after her 17th birthday, they went on to have 5 children. He became the first school teacher of New Braunfels, August 11, 1845, teaching classes in German and English to 15 pupils in the elm grove at the foot of the hill, also the gathering place for the first Protestant church. This school was the first of its kind west of the Colorado River. Leadership and service became a way of life for SEELE. He helped organize the first Protestant church, the newspaper Zy Tongue, and several social clubs, including a singing society. The Germania Gesangverein, the Athletic Club Tuverin Braunfels, the New Braunfelser Theater Gesellschaft. The proceeds from the first 6 productions were donated to launch the New Braunfels Academy, which now houses NBISD. He even held the first Kindermasking parade and ball, and for fun he also auctioneered. He was the first district clerk for Comal County, state legislator, justice of the peace, mayor, city alderman, major in the Confederate Army, and the postmaster. During his tenure as mayor, he succeeded in building a modern waterworks system and helped establish an efficient volunteer fire brigade. As a former lawyer, active Mason, and supporter of public education, SEELE left many written accounts of pioneer life in New Braunfels, leaving his mark forever embedded on this place he called home. Achieving more in his lifetime than most better-known heroes, this Renaissance man passed away March 18, 1902, after seeing Texas become a modern, prosperous state. In one of SEELE's more famous accounts, he relates an incident of cannibalism his group witnessed. It was a thunderstorm that put a sudden end to the bloody orgy of the Indians in the Guadalupe Bottom, during which they had cooked, roasted, and eaten one of their enemies, a slain Waco, as a victory feast. Tonkawa squaws, returning from the grisly feast, told us while patting their bellies how delicious the meat was and offered us blackberries in a wooden dish. We, however, declined because they'd been picked by the hands of cannibals.